Hello and welcome to SNY Delicious Foods. Today we are going to see how to make tasty spaghetti and meatballs. My key ingredients are beef minced meat, around 500 grams, spaghetti, 300 grams, 2 cans of chopped tomatoes, tomato puree or tomato paste, 2 tablespoons of plain flour, 1 onion, fresh garlic, around 3 or 4 cloves, 1 medium egg, beef stock. For spices, I'll be using nutmeg, black pepper, and paprika. For herbs, I'll be using parsley and basil. We'll start by making the tomato sauce. In a saucepan, put vegetable oil, but you can use any oil you like. Once the oil is slightly heated, add chopped onion, crushed garlic, and bay leaf. I'm using half of the onion for the sauce. Stir well until the onion is softened and slightly golden. Then add chopped tomatoes, add beef stock, add tomato puree, nutmeg, and paprika. Stir to combine all together, then cover with a lid and bring to simmer for a few minutes. While our sauce is cooking, I will start by preparing the meatballs. Put the mince in a large container. Use a wooden spatula to separate it. Then add flour, half of the chopped onion, slightly beaten egg, garlic, nutmeg, dry parsley, dry basil, and a pinch of salt. Mix everything to combine by hand. To make our meatballs, you are going to grab around 2 tablespoons of mixture or the size of a tennis ball. Then roll it around with your hands into a shape of a ball. Once all the meatballs are ready, when they are all formed, you can put them aside. On medium heat, put some oil on a skillet pan or saucepan. Once the oil is hot, add the meatballs without crowding the pan and saute until they are brown on each side. Once the meatballs are done, remove them from the pan and put aside. Add the meatball to the tomato sauce and stir to combine all together. Add chopped fresh basil, and about 2 glasses of water. Let it cook on a medium heat for around 10 to 15 minutes. In a separate saucepan, add spaghetti to boiled salted water and cook for around 8 minutes or according to the packaging instruction. Stir occasionally. Then drain the spaghetti once it's ready without rinsing it. Add the cooked spaghetti to the sauce and stir and combine all together. You can add black pepper and basil. Now your tasty spaghetti and meatball is ready to serve. Thanks very much for watching SNY Delicious Foods. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe to our channel.